Banded basket stitch. It is a multi-purpose, two-sided pattern. You can use its both sides in knitting. For the pattern, cast on stitches multiple of 9 stitches. Repeat rows from 1 to 10 for the pattern flat. Row 1. Right side row. Purl 6 stitches. Knit 3 stitches. Repeat 9 stitches of the pattern. Row 2. Wrong side row. Purl 3 stitches. Knit 6 stitches. Repeat 9 stitches of the pattern. In all wrong side rows we knit the knit stitches and purl the purl stitches. Row 3. Right side row. Purl 6 stitches. Knit 3 stitches. Repeat 9 stitches of the pattern. Row 4. Wrong side row. Purl 3 stitches. Knit 6 stitches. Repeat 9 stitches of the pattern. Row 5. Right side row. Purl 6 stitches. Knit 3 stitches. Repeat 9 stitches of the pattern. Row 6. Wrong side row. Purl 3 stitches. Knit 6 stitches. Repeat 9 stitches of the pattern. Row 7. Right side row. Knit 6 stitches. Purl 3 stitches. Repeat 9 stitches of the pattern. Row 8. Wrong side row. Knit 3 stitches. Purl 6 stitches. We knit the knit stitches and purl the purl stitches. Repeat 9 stitches of the pattern. Row 9. Right side row. Knit 6 stitches. Purl 3 stitches. Repeat 9 stitches of the pattern. Row 10. Wrong side row. Knit 3 stitches. Purl 6 stitches. Repeat 9 stitches of the pattern. Repeat rows from 1 to 10 for the pattern flat. Enjoy your knitting and subscribe to our channel to get more patterns to your collection.